Good morning, everyone. Pam here with Inspect It Like a Girl. Today, we want to talk about turning off your gas at the gas meter. Very important to know where this valve is. Here's the gas meter to the house, and the meter is here. And then here is our valve, and I'm going to take just socket wrench here, and you see how when you know the gas is on whenever this is lined up here, so that means the valve is on. The way that we want to turn it off is to take this little hole here and line it up with this hole right here. Okay, so I've turned the gas off to the house and called the plumber, and he's going to come do what we call a pressure test, and hopefully that will identify if there's a problem or not. Knowing where your shutoff valve is very important. So locate your gas meter, locate the valve, and have a tool ready. So if you ever have a gas odor or you think you smell gas, you can turn this valve off and then call either a plumber or the gas company. And don't forget, if you're gonna get it inspected, inspect it like a girl.